You're watching episode 46 of Live Day Trading. Let's get into it. What's up everybody, Michael Silva here. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, high five. If you've been here before, I appreciate your support.
Smash that like button for me.
Now if you have been here before, you might notice that my room looks a little different. Well, I put this sweet little wooden backdrop in behind me. Plan on putting some floating shelves up, and I plan on making the audio sound a little bit better in this room. It might sound good now, and that's only because I took a old memory foam mattress topper and I just have it kind of on the floor. Hopefully that makes the audio not as like echoey in here, but that's just, you know, stuff that I'm working on for fun. In today's episode, I trade two different ticker symbols. Ticker symbol ZM for Zoom Video and BA for Boeing. Now overall, I took a $27 loss today, but I'm pretty happy with that because it was significantly going to be, or it was going to be significantly more than that if I didn't reverse my trade halfway through my thought process on the ticker ZM. So I really want you to pay close attention to that. Later on, I traded Boeing, and I did that on the 1 minute time frame, which I don't usually use the 1 minute time frame for on Webull. I would love it if they did have a 2 minute time frame. Somebody in the comment section actually asked me, you know, what do I prefer, 5 or 1 minute? And I said my favorite time frame is the 5 minute. But that doesn't mean that I'm never gonna use the 1 minute. And I did today. I did a quick little scalp that brought me from, I think, around negative $76 to only down $27 for the day. So I'm happy with today's performance. However, it just didn't go my way. I had a red day. You know, you're going to have red days. You can't have all green days. And when you have your red days, you got to make sure that they're small red days. This was only $27. The time before this was down $11. So I'm keeping them small. I want to keep on that, you know, keep that risk really tied in, because that's really the only thing that we have control of in these markets. Okay, so yes, I'm rambling on again. Let's go ahead and hop into the trades and see how they played out. Boom. All right, good morning. We are here at ticker symbol ZM. That's Zoom Video. I am in a short position. This is what I'm looking at. Had this pretty big gap down this morning. Okay, on news that the CEO came out and said that he messed up on some stuff because of what's called Zoom bombings. You may have heard of it. Well, we had this big gap down 9%, even more than that, and then it bounced up, and then it's been getting really top heavy. And the way that I can see that it's top heavy is by simply just looking at the higher wicks and where it's getting kind of blocked off right here. So it kind of came up here, got rejected, came up here, rejected, came up here, almost there, rejected, and then it's been using this as a kind of a support line right around this area. So I am trading short here at this green line. I'm gonna have my stop loss pretty much just above this red line here at 119, let's say 65, 119.65, and see if I can curl it, if it's gonna curl more to the downside here. Now, I do have the MACD kind of, you know, leveling out a little bit, so it looks like some volume slowing down. So I'm gonna be kind of aggressive on this trade. If it can come down here, I'm gonna be removing quite a bit off the table by the VWAP, which is down here, the green line. So let's see how this one plays out. So I just reversed my position. I went long because I think now we might be seeing this test up new highs. So I am now positive, or sorry, I'm going long 200 shares at 117.89. Let me see here. Let me see. There we go. So now I'm at the green line, 200 shares long. So now I wanted the price to go up. It's been building this kind of momentum to the upside. The MACD looks like it's going to be crossing over. I thought I was going to get more of a drop. Now it's pulling back, of course, but let's see here if now we can get a break to the upside. If it starts going back further down, then I'm just going to get out of this position. Okay, I just scaled in another 200 shares, so now I'm long 400 shares, looking for a move to the upside. Okay, I'm out of that position. Holy moly, that was irritating. Still, I'm down $73 on that trade because I reversed the position. Basically bought down lower. I reverse it here at a loss of probably around 150, I think it was, maybe a little bit more. And then when I reversed it, I was going long, and then it went low on me again, and then it got stuck pretty much below that line. Then finally it just broke out to the upside, captured in those profits. So I'm down $73.80 as of right now. I'm pretty dang happy that this trade started to move upwards to the upside direction, and I'm also happy that I decided to reverse my position earlier on, because if I didn't, and if I would have held in and got stopped out right here on my original short position, it'd be down about $400, just above $400. Now we're seeing it move more to the upside. That's pretty normal because we just saw this crossover on the MACD. I might consider maybe looking back at this chart when it comes up, if it comes up to the 50-day moving average, but till then, I'm just going to kind of keep an eye out on the market and see if there's any more opportunities. All right, here we go. This is ticker symbol BA. I am short 200 shares. It is forming this kind of descending triangle. I think it's going to show weakness right around this 135, basically where this blue line is. I just got into the position now because I feel like it's going to be going lower. I am on the 1 minute time frame, which I don't typically trade, but I'm here now. I could look over at the 5 and it'd probably look very similar. Yeah. But I like seeing it on the 1 as of right this moment. So I'm seeing it drop off. If I can get it below this blue line, we might see it drop even harder. So let's see here. I'm short 200 shares total. Okay, I got rid of 50 shares. Just took a little bit of profit. Okay, I sold another 200 into market. So I'm at 136.19. My average price is right here. I'm short 350 shares total. Okay, I am out of the position. So I am now only down $27 on the day. I think I made $40 on this trade. Pretty simple. All I did was short sell. I go grab some profits when it went lower, and then I resold more shares when it came up higher, and then sold it when it came back down again, and picked up some easy profits right there. I should have probably stayed in longer because I do feel like this will come down and eventually break through this previous support, like it's kind of doing right now. But I'm just, I guess my first trade today kind of threw me off a little bit, put me off kilter, so I've been a little tighter than usual, which is a sign that I should probably stop. But part of me is like, should I keep going? Should I keep going? Look at this thing, and it's messing with my emotions today. Like now it's pulling back, so, and it is still in a descending triangle pattern. Like you see this right here, boom, just like, I can just move it right there. It's basically just coming straight down like that, and then it has its support right around here, so, whatever. Is what is. I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna take a loss for the day, down $27 total for the day. The reason why I'm telling you all this stuff is because if you guys deal with this same type of emotions when trading, it is good to probably just walk away, because you might find yourself, finding yourself into another trade and then it goes even more negative on you, and then you'll get stuck even longer throughout the day, and then you come back tomorrow trying to fix all of that. Whereas, if you walk away like how I feel right now, small loss, it's not too bad. So down $27.40 for the day, not too shabby. I'll take it any day, except for every day, because then that would suck, because then I would just lose money. All right, guys, have a good day. I will see you guys tomorrow.